Gas is how much again? 2k per 1 kilo, and you are still boiling your tomato until it dry up. Oya, come, let me show you how to do it. Now, once the tomato boil, don't allow it to dry up because you'll be wasting your gas. Just get this type of sieve, any color, or this type. This one that's like tiny net. Though this one takes time, but it works. Pour your tomato inside it. Within 5 to 10 minutes for this type of sieve, all the water will just come out. Very easy, just like this. But that of that small net, it takes time. It will take up to 30 minutes before it to dry. Now look at this tomato. See how it is. Look at all the water you would have used your gas to dry. Look at it. What will you do with the water? Just use it and boil your meat.